TechChange Skill Certification Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to the platform and additional resources are in the description below. TechChange is an innovative certification platform designed for professionals and organizations seeking to upskill in areas like technology, development, and social impact. With a focus on interactive and accessible learning, TechChange offers self-paced courses, live workshops, and custom training programs tailored to industry needs. The platform features a user-friendly interface, high-quality video lessons, and engaging interactive exercises that reinforce learning effectively. One of TechChange's standout features is its community-driven approach, allowing learners to collaborate, share insights, and network through discussion forums and virtual events. Certifications are globally recognized, making them valuable for career advancement in competitive industries. Additionally, TechChange integrates analytics and progress tracking, helping users stay motivated and measure their achievements. The platform caters to professionals at all levels, from beginners exploring new fields to experts looking to enhance their credentials. Organizations can also benefit from tailored team training solutions, which include customized content and analytics to monitor team progress. Courses are designed by industry leaders, ensuring relevance and practical value in areas like data visualization, AI for social good, and digital transformation. Customer feedback often highlights the engaging content, practical focus, and responsive support as major advantages. However, some users mention that the cost can be higher compared to other platforms, but many agree that the depth and quality of learning justify the price. Overall, TechChange is ideal for individuals and organizations serious about skill development and impactful career growth. If you've used TechChange or are considering it, share your experiences in the comments. Check the links in the description for more information and start your learning journey today.